If you're a bartender who received a 1099 and you are not an independent bartender that works at a variety of different restaurants, there is a giant red flag in this situation. And as a fractional CFO, I work with people in the hospitality industry. And the number one thing that I talk about business owners about is properly classifying their workers as either independent contractors or employees. Because if you get the classification wrong, you can, as a business owner, have some stiff penalties. And as a misclassified workers, there's some benefits for you. So in this scenario, I would want to know, are you paid an hourly rate? Are you provided with on-the-job training? Do you receive any type of employee benefits for working at that restaurant? And does your employer control when you work and the rules of how you do your job? Now, there are bartenders who are totally independent contractors that float in and out for special events, etc. But if you're working at a specific restaurant and that is your job and they have dictated how you do your job, you may be a misclassified worker. And I would advise you to speak with your state's Department of Labor to see if you have indeed been misclassified. If that's the case, the restaurant owner could be on the hook for paying your half of the employment taxes and any other sort of relief you may be entitled to. I'm not an attorney, so I can't advise on that. So that's what I would say. But the meat of your question is, what can you write off as a 1099 bartender? And if that's the case, you can write off anything that you need to earn that money. So that could be courses on bartending. That could be traveling the mileage between locations if you're bartending. It can be any type of advertisement you make for your bartending services so that people book you. Any expense that you use that's ordinary and necessary, you can write off. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section.